Hi there, this quick tutorial is all about adding payment method to System.io. So if you've been curious, then we will show you the straightforward steps to get it done. So to set up your payment method on System.io, start by logging into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now once you're there, select Settings and from the left-hand menu, click on Payment Gateways. And now you will see a list of payment gateways, each with its own Connect button. If you're choosing Stripe, click Connect, then select your Stripe account and follow the prompts. Add your necessary business information and finalize by clicking Allow access to this account. Now for PayPal, click Connect and enter your PayPal username and password and API signature from your PayPal account settings. If you're opting for Mercado Pago, just hit Connect and you will be redirected to the Mercado Pago website. Just simply follow the instructions to complete the integration. Now for Razorpay, generate an API key and secret key within your Razorpay account. Add them to provided box in System.io. Now if you want to use Flutterwave, get your public secret and encryption API keys from your Flutterwave account and add them in the spaces provided in System.io. If Molly is your choice, click Connect, log into your Molly account, and then click on the second Connect button that appears. And once you successfully connected at least one payment gateway, you're all set to start charging for your courses, products, or anything else you want to sell using System.io sales funnel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.